Mag-a-apply ka ba ng relevant DNR EMB permits? Kailangan you are authorized by the managing head or the owner of your company or your establishment to process this application. And in the application of relevant DNR EMB permits, you need to present the authorization letter showing your name as the person in charge in the pricing of the application. In this authorization letter will be signed by the owner of the company or the establishment. And you will all, of course, attach the competent evidence of identity authorizing you for the application of relevant permits. Attachment of the government ID of the owner of the establishment or company. In this screen, you will see the DNR prescribed template on the authorization. So we have here the name of the company to be indicated. For example, ABC Company Inc. Date, for example, November 17, 2024. And the name of the regional director. For example, Honorable Robert Angelo Metin, the Regional Director of the Environmental Management Bureau, Region 4A, Calabarzon Region. We have also the office address to be indicated in this authorization. The office address of Environmental Management Bureau, Region 4A, in PTEX, Barangay Tambo, Parañaque City. Subject is authorization, and we have here the statement I, the undersigned, meaning the owner or the managing head of the company or establishment. For example, Peter Pan with the following IDs. The example here, we have the government ID. For example, the driver's license number. And hereby authorize you as the pollution control officer of your company or the person in charge for the permitting and registration requirements of your establishment or facility. For example, Mr. or Juan de la Cruz with the following ID. For example, your PRC ID, PRC number, and we have here to act on my behalf in all manners relating to the application, submission, and processing. So we have application of, for example, discharge permit, permit to operate. We have also the submission of the registration of company profile to the company registration system, the registration as a hazardous waste generator, and the pricing of our applications online, the submission of the reports online through these EMB online services of our company or facility name. Lagay natin ABC Company Inc., which is located in, for example, Barangay Alangilan, Batangas City, Batangas. Any and all acts carried out by Mr. Juan de la Cruz or Mr. de la Cruz on my behalf shall have the same effect as acts of mine own. Hoping for your kind consideration. Thank you very much. The name of the managing head, Mr. Peter Pan, and the contact number. for example. So that is the authorization letter. And this can be uploaded during our account registration in the OPMS as shown on the screen. So during the account registration, we shall submit this authorization letter. And the same with the registration of your company profile to the company registration system. When you register your company profile, you will submit a signed authorization letter for the registration of the company profile to this company registration system. So that's all about. We have the authorization letter and we have a DNR prescribed template for the preparation and submission of the authorization letter. Thank you very much for watching. I am Engineer Jeric Picasso. Thank you for listening.